Kitondo Farmers Cooperative Society Limited ekatanduka omwaka gwa 2021 omuri Ihunga Kajaro muri district ya Ntungamo kandi omwaka gwa 2050 enganzi y'obugabe bwa Ankole ekashaba kutongoza amarisizo omu bugabe bwona kandi abarisa bakahebwa emyanya erumu Kitondo Kabwigora Mate Nyarwanya hamwe na Rwenchebebe omwaka gwa 1997 aba Kitondo bakashaba okutunga pachita karyabo bitsi cyabasika okusyo mwako gw'2017 obatandika kutunga uburemezi barukubingwa hitaka abibembeza begombora ya Ihunga
ona 2018 tukatunga semons itwebezwa Kitondo Farmers okuga ompolisi Ntungamo aba Prosperous Kalayo, Ntungamo polisi, twayobozaho batuhereza mbega ila ko mwanya ogu yaburza yarebekirwa cy'itu n'ibindi byabindi kwataho kuya ubutwatunga byakinageza kubaganda
egombora nto yizire kwenda ngo erutware erupangise kwenda kwihamushe yazi iza mushashura ba kansalazi barupangisa mwani muhebwa amwe na byamukama Obedi barupangisa miliyoni 1.10 kurukoresa kurupangisa umwaka bwona nipe nkabarisa kubahereze kucimanya ahubwo kugira ngo eritaka original rikabarutura giriya barisa baremeraho twayeterere nduru twija twababinga
na bwanyuma bakatunga kumanyisibwa ku district ya Ntungamo yakorise cyapa citakeri omu mazina gayo nabona ukwe kweterera nduro wa mukuru w'ihanga ori minister muhweza habwa amatakana n'intunguka y'endembo Honorable Sam Mayanja akwatanitse na n'umuhwezo wa mukuru w'ihanga w'umutano omukurwana senguzi Council Rebecca Atwine nyomwabazyo bagariza itakero mikono y'aba Kitondo Farmers Cooperative Society Limited bwanyuma yo kucondoza bakashanga ngwe cyapa citakeri ekiryo mu mazina ga district ya Ntungamo kikakorwa mu Buhenda Biragiro.
And so we agreed and we came here to announce to you the agreement. The RDC who is here did a very good job. I think that she actually interpreted very well what happened with us when we were in the meeting. She provided good, excellent leadership to our team. We see the error. We are under one president, one country, one leadership to the same people. So let us correct the error. So we have corrected the error. The title is going to be now just adjusted to put into the society's name.
Nanye nagenda nashujuma amateka akanyewe ndio munyamateka wa His Excellency nashujuma amateka nahikira umunyamateka okunkiraho His Excellency Honorable Dr. Sam Mayanja enshonga twazamu twazicondoza twarebangu district ecyapa kakifuna omutari mateka kandi wabashyikira nabo bakikiriza so izo batwija kubagambira icyarugamo abanyakitondo ko kumwabura mwena kubahamsiriza ngo His Excellency yo Kaguta Museveni okwetongita kwabo kuba mutwire kuba twarire akakutwara with a lot of seriousness kandi yatuma abantu be twakoraho mwe twabagarikira twabaha ecyugarkwamo ekikuruga omukucondoza
abemembezi ba district ya Ntungamo na benshongeje bazigambereho
imagizire kuruga egeshonga ubetandika na nerizoba kandi ubukuteka teka ngo kuruga twargaha ntuza kugira everlasting solution so nye namba sime ahago kumamurika ibitu mukabitwaza mpora mutajiro mukurwanangana no kushedinga brand until today when we expect a everlasting solution.
Abatura basimire President Museveni ahabo kutaho mu nshonga zabo bakatunga uburinganiza kandi Council Rebecca Atwine shabire okwatanisa bakarwana senguzo mu ihanga amakuru agagasha kwa Anita Tukunda.